In this video, we will copy and reconfigure the half-year convention depreciation table workflow to import the non-residential real property depreciation table. Use the scroll bar to find the container for the half-year convention depreciation table workflow. Right-click on the container and select Copy from the list. Then right-click on a blank space on the canvas and select Paste. Rename the container workflow MM39Y Convention Depreciation Table Workflow. Click on the Input Data tool. Since the non-residential real property depreciation table is in the same Excel file as the half-year convention depreciation table, we only need to change the sheet. Click on the ellipses and select the non-residential real MM39-year sheet. Then click OK. Save and run your workflow. If we click on the output anchor and scroll over, we can see that field F7 contains data that we want to keep, so we don't need to reconfigure our filter tool. Clicking on the T output anchor of the filter tool shows us that the header information is in the first row. Thus, we do not need to reconfigure the dynamic rename tool. Run the workflow one more time. Click on the Select tool. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and deselect the fields that we don't need. Then scroll up and select the fields that we will need from this sheet. Change the data types. The first field data type should be int32. The remaining fields should be fixed decimal. Change the precision for the fixed decimal from 0 to 4. Finally, rename the first field to recovery year. Save and run your workflow. You can verify the data transformations by clicking on the output anchor and scrolling through your results window. Now that we have transformed the real property depreciation table, we can join the real property asset list with the real property depreciation table. Drag a join tool from the join menu onto your canvas. Connect the output anchor of the select tool with your right input anchor of the join tool. Then scroll up and connect the F output anchor from step 6 with the L input anchor of the join tool. Click on the drop-down arrow and select recovery year from the list. Remove duplicate fields. Then save and run your workflow. You can click on the J output anchor and verify that your real property asset matched with the appropriate depreciation percentages from the real property depreciation table. Hopefully, you're beginning to realize how quick and easy it is to reconfigure Alteryx workflows to include new information. In the next video, you will learn how to compute the current depreciation for real property.